Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Dropbox Desktop App, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Look for the download button on the homepage. Click on the download button. This will initiate the download of the Dropbox Desktop App file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. For Windows users, this file will typically be in your Downloads folder. For Mac users, check your Downloads folder or use Finder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. On Windows, you may need to click Run if prompted by your security settings. For Mac, you might need to drag the Dropbox icon to your Applications folder. Once the installation is complete, the Dropbox app will open automatically. You will be prompted to sign in to your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create a new one. Enter your email and password, then click the Sign In button. After signing in, the app will begin syncing your files. You can customize the sync settings if needed. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Feel free to add folders or files to your Dropbox for easy access. That's it, you've successfully installed the Dropbox Desktop app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.